You probably don't think about water pipelines very often. That's because most of them are located underground, usually under streets. Even though you can't see the pipes, they serve an important purpose: to transport water. Olivenheim Municipal Water District is committed to providing safe, reliable, high-quality drinking water and recycled water in a cost-effective way to its customers. Olivenheim is working to replace a drinking water pipeline and install a recycled water pipeline in Encinitas. The work will take place in 2 different locations. For the drinking water pipeline, new pipe will be placed near the intersection of Rancho Santa Fe Road and Encinitas Boulevard. The new pipeline is needed because the existing pipeline, installed in 1961, is approaching the end of its lifespan. Construction is currently underway and is expected to be complete in early 2022. To reduce traffic impacts, construction will primarily take place at night, except in the residential area to prevent overnight disturbances. Work will also take place on Manchester Avenue at a different location to install a new recycled water pipeline. This work will take place on Manchester Avenue. Daytime construction is expected to begin in early 2022, when 1.4 miles of 6-inch pipe will be placed under Manchester Avenue and South El Camino Real. Recycled water is tertiary treated wastewater that is safe to use to irrigate landscaping, certain crops, parks, schools, golf courses, and for various commercial and industrial uses. This new pipe will be the color purple to signify it contains recycled water. The purple pipe recycled water system is a safe way to reuse our most precious resource, water. It also protects our water supply against drought. Through OMWD's commitment to partnering with neighboring agencies, this pipeline will be connected to San Alejo Joint Powers Authority's recycled water pipeline and is part of the larger North San Diego Water Reuse Coalition's Regional Recycled Water Project. New recycled water customers are expected to connect to this new pipeline, reducing demand for imported water by nearly 10 million gallons every year. Instead of using water treated to drinking standards to irrigate the land, recycled water will be used, saving the drinking water for just that, drinking. The work will take place on Manchester Avenue between Via Poco and Tennis Club Drive. Please note Caltrans is also working at Interstate 5 and Via Poco as part of the state's North Coast Corridor Interstate 5 Manchester Avenue Interchange Expansion Project. Olivenheim will be coordinating with Caltrans on traffic impacts to the Manchester Avenue corridor. The Olivenheim Pipeline project is expected to take approximately 9 months to complete. This project has received grant funding, including $600,000 from Prop 84, $750,000 from Proposition 1, and approximately $400,000 from the U.S. Bureau of Reclamation's Title 16 Water Reclamation and Reuse Program, making the project cost-effective for Olivenheim customers.
The Olivenheim Municipal Water District is committed to providing safe, reliable, high-quality drinking water and recycled water to its customers in a cost-effective way.
Visit Olivenheim Municipal Water District's website to learn more about the Manchester Pipeline projects, and thank you for your patience during this important work.